Kitchen appliances are essential for cooking, but there are countless other gadgets that, although not absolutely necessary, can greatly simplify life in the kitchen. In this video, we'll show you 19 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Designed for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts, these grinders boast a generous 6-ounce capacity, meaning fewer refills and more uninterrupted cooking. The crystal-clear acrylic body allows you to easily monitor your spice levels at a glance, so you'll always know when it's time to restock. The innovative ceramic rotor ensures pure flavor preservation, while the convenient stainless steel adjustment knob lets you effortlessly create everything from fine dust-like seasonings to robust, coarse grinds. Simply turn clockwise for fine grinding and counterclockwise for a more rustic texture. Crafted from premium, BPA-free material, these liners are designed to withstand temperatures up to 400 brewers, making them perfect for slow cooking, boiling, sous vide, and even refrigerator storage. Each pack contains 60 generously sized 14-inch by 22-inch liners, constructed from a high-tenacity nylon blend that's engineered for durability. These robust liners prevent bone punctures and leaks, ensuring your meals cook perfectly without compromising food taste or quality. From separating foods to simplifying meal prep, Syntus slow cooker liners are your kitchen's new best friend. Engineered to withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, these extraordinary gloves offer unparalleled safety from your stovetop to your outdoor grill. Spanning an impressive 14.7 inches long, these oven mitts provide comprehensive protection that goes beyond ordinary kitchen gear. From your fingertips to well past your wrists, you'll be shielded from unexpected burns and flare-ups. The extended length means complete coverage and confidence while handling hot cookware. Unlike traditional fabric gloves, these are completely liquid-resistant and won't absorb moisture. Powered by a robust 300-watt motor, this mixer effortlessly handles everything from delicate cupcake batters to hearty bread doughs. Featuring advanced planetary mixing action, the mixer's beaters rotate around the spacious 4-quart stainless steel bowl, ensuring complete and even mixing every single time. It delivers professional-level performance that rivals more expensive brands, without breaking the bank. The package includes a stainless steel bowl with convenient handles, a splash guard, versatile dough hook, reliable whisk, and flat beater, all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This multifunctional marvel transforms your sink area into an efficient drying and storage zone that does so much more than just dry dishes. Designed with incredible versatility, this rack accommodates everything from plates and bowls to fruits, vegetables, and utensils. Convenient hooks let you hang soup ladles, spatulas, and dishcloths, while specialized holders keep knives, cutting boards, and cleaning supplies neatly in place. Expandable from 25 to 33 inches in length and standing 20.7 inches tall, this rack adapts to most kitchen sink configurations. This comprehensive 4-in-1 set includes a sleek sink organizer, 2 500-milliliter soap dispensers, 2 dishwashing sponges, and a brush. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic, this black dispenser set offers exceptional durability and corrosion resistance while adding a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. The innovative design features strategic drainage holes to keep sponges and brushes dry, plus a convenient water collection tray that can be emptied directly into the sink. Discover effortless mashed potatoes with the Helix potato ricer masher from Joseph. Its unique twisting action revolutionizes the traditional ricing process, making it easier than ever to create perfectly smooth mashed potatoes and vegetable purees. Built to last with premium stainless steel and nylon construction, this ricer delivers reliable performance while remaining BPA-free and food-safe. The clever 2-piece design comes apart for thorough cleaning and is completely dishwasher-safe for added convenience. Made from recycled cotton fibers and non-toxic hardener, this durable scrubber brings sustainable cleaning to your kitchen while reducing waste and saving money. Versatile and effective, the Skoy Scrub safely cleans most surfaces, including nonstick pans, ceramic, glass, and cooktops. Maintenance is effortless. Simply place it in your dishwasher's top rack or rub it against itself to remove food particles. Each scrubber can be cleaned and reused multiple times. Elevate your cooking with this elegant acacia wood spatula, crafted from a single piece of high-density hardwood. At 12 inches long, this versatile kitchen tool provides perfect leverage for stirring, mixing, flipping, and serving while keeping your hands safely away from heat. Each spatula showcases the natural beauty of acacia wood, with unique grain patterns that make every piece one of a kind. Precision machine cut and hand polished to a smooth finish, it's gentle enough for your non-stick cookware, yet durable enough for daily use. Transform your kitchen knives with this professional-grade electric sharpener that converts standard 20-degree edges into high-performance 15-degree Trezor XV edges. Using 100% diamond abrasives and advanced stropping technology, this three-stage system delivers razor-sharp results for both straight and serrated blades. The innovative Edge Select system features patented flexible spring guides that automatically adjust for precise angle control. Initial sharpening takes just 1 minute, with quick 10-second touch-ups needed afterward. Experience touchless hygiene with this advanced automatic soap dispenser. Featuring an upgraded infrared sensor, it precisely dispenses soap when hands are detected within 2.36 inches, while its no-drip spout prevents messy leaks and clogs. The hands-free operation eliminates cross-contamination for safer, more hygienic washing. Built for convenience, this premium dispenser holds 17 ounces of liquid soap, more than standard models. The transparent window lets you easily monitor soap levels, while 5 adjustable volume settings ensure perfect dispensing every time. Protect your hands and surfaces with these extra-thick, quilted pot holders. Designed to handle temperatures up to 400 degrees, they provide reliable protection when handling hot dishes, pots, pans, and cast-iron cookware. The flexible yet durable construction ensures a secure grip while keeping heat safely at bay. These versatile hot pads do double duty. Use them to protect your hands while cooking, or as trivets to safeguard your countertops from scratches and heat damage. Discover effortless meat shredding with this upgraded 10-inch professional chicken shredder. Featuring enhanced inner shredding structure and sharper spikes, this tool makes quick work of shredding tasks. The transparent cover lets you monitor progress, while the ergonomic handle and strong anti-slip rubber base ensure safe, comfortable operation. Experience premium design with diamond-patterned handles that sparkle in the light. Complete with an extra-large cleaning brush for easy maintenance, this versatile shredder combines functionality with style. Keep your garbage disposal fresh and clean with Affresh's specially formulated disposal cleaner. Its powerful foaming action reaches deep into your disposal's internal components, thoroughly cleaning the chopper, cavity, and hose to eliminate odor-causing residues that regular cleaning can't reach. Experience a cleaner, fresher-smelling disposal with this simple monthly maintenance solution. Affresh Garbage Disposal Cleaner delivers deep cleaning action for optimal performance and odor prevention, keeping your kitchen sink fresh and clean. This ergonomically designed slicer effortlessly glides through even the thickest pizzas, creating clean, precise cuts every time. Its versatile blade easily handles cheese, dough, vegetables, pastries, and spices, making it an essential kitchen tool. Crafted for superior performance, this premium cutter features a razor-sharp 430 stainless steel blade, paired with a durable anti-slip PP handle. The thoughtful design ensures comfortable, safe, and efficient cutting for all your culinary needs. Discover perfect pouring precision with the Delove canning funnel set. This comprehensive collection includes small, medium, and large funnels, plus a versatile strainer designed to meet all your filling needs. Experience effortless filtering with the umbrella strainer that fits seamlessly with all 3 funnels. This clever design efficiently removes residues from liquids, ensuring smooth, clean transfers every time. Enjoy maximum versatility with 3 perfectly sized funnels that fit virtually any container, from mason jars and water bottles to cruets, hip flasks, and essential oil bottles. Featuring high elasticity PET fiber bristles that maintain their shape, this durable brush tackles everything from pots and pans to cast iron skillets, sinks, and bathroom fixtures. This sturdy built-in feature efficiently removes stubborn food residue and stains, giving you extra cleaning power when you need it most. Stay clean and organized with the convenient loop handle design. Hang your brush over the sink to keep it dry and hygienic. The extended handle keeps your hands protected from water and cleaning solutions while you work. Experience premium quality with the Zulay kitchen soup ladle. Crafted from heavy-duty 2-in-1 stainless steel with an elegant mirror finish, this durable ladle combines food-grade safety with heat and rust resistance for reliable daily use. Enjoy perfect comfort and control with the ergonomic design. The long 12-inch handle features a thoughtful thumb rest and non-slip grip, while the generous 3.25-inch diameter bowl with 1.37-inch depth easily reaches deep into pots for perfect portions. Experience professional blending power with the Ganiza Smoothie Blender. Its advanced 1100-watt copper turbocharged motor delivers an impressive 25,000 RPM, providing faster, stronger blending while maintaining simple operation. Enjoy perfect results with 2 intelligent preset programs, 60 seconds for smoothies and 45 seconds for salsa. The adjustable speed control lets you fine-tune textures for different ingredients, ensuring ideal consistency without overprocessing.